Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Merrimack Pharmaceuticals, and this stock has made an important breakout which probably leads the stock much higher from the current level. So let us simply discuss about that. So this level was the resistance. Okay, so here you have the resistance above which the stock has recently made a breakout. Okay, and these are the two most important support levels on the downside. Here we have. So now as the stock crossed this resistance, so you have your first support at 5.33. So I think you will consider as your last support, because your next support will directly, your next big support will directly come at 2.41. So the difference between 5 and 2 is actually very big. So it is up to the individual whether he or she actually wants to take a risk. After $5 you have 2.41 and 1.52. So actually, if you want to take a risk or not, that is up to the individual. But as the stock has indeed make a breakout, so what one actually need to do is look for an upside. So the next probable target which we are looking at, or which the stock will see, will be, so you have your first target at $10. So from this current level you will have your first target at $10, and after that actually the trend is very clear, and the stock and the way the stock is moving, it the upside is open till 60 or $66 or its previous high of 2015. Now how much time will it take? That time will tell, but the trend is saying that it will probably move towards its higher end of the range, and which we are going to discuss here. So after $10 you will have your next target at $13. After $13 you have $19. After $19 you have $33, and after $33 you have $68 on the upside, which means the stock could probably move towards the higher end of the range. Although do not limit yourself with time. So once you are saying that you can hold this stock, so do not fix any time limit with that. You will get to know once the stock started moving and how much time will it take. But if you fix the time, what will happen probably, you will not make most of it. That's the problem. Okay, so do not fix any time, and you will have these levels. What you need to do is simply go along with the trend and keep your stop losses and trail it accordingly, and go one step after another. But the probability is, beg your pardon, the probability is it will move towards the higher end of the range. And a confirmation, if, because lots of people are asking for confirmations as well, that which level gives you that confirmation. So if the stock started moving above $14, okay, these two levels must get crossed, and if the stock sustain above $14, then the probability will become much more prevalent, and there will be a very bright chance that we are going to go and reach or retest the previous high of 2016-15, which is $68 on the upside. It will take time, so bear with the trend, and in case of any adverse scenario, calculate the risk and move out. If you are not feeling comfortable, just move out from the trend. It is not the first priority, is save your principal amount. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.